Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete layer here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Adobe Express, layers are often used in the design to stack text, images, shape, and other elements. Now, if you want to delete a layer, all you have to do is to delete this specific element on that layer or in the canvas that you are working. For you to be able to do that, I want you to click the project or the design that you're working. But if you haven't already, you don't have to work for that because just click on the templates and browse on thousands of inspiring designs to begin with. And from there, if you want to delete a certain layer, you can do that. Or if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click on the button right here. Now in this section, as you can see, all these elements are considered layer. Why? Because if you hover here, you'd see that this is going to be the layer section. Right? Layers. Click that and you would notice that there's layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, and layer 4. If you want to delete a certain layer that you don't want it, for example, the fire at the back, right click on it, and as you can see, click on delete. So the fourth layer has been deleted, right? It's very simple. If you want to delete the third layer right here, just press and delete, right? And if you want to delete the second layer, just press and delete, and you have the first layer here remained in this specific canvas. Now, sometimes your design can become cluttered with unnecessary elements or basically layers, especially as you add more content. Deleting layers that aren't needed helps to simplify your design and make it more focused. All right, if you added content that is no longer relevant to your project, I really suggest you delete all of them together. It's a good idea to delete all of these layers. But again, if you delete a layer by accident, all you have to do is press Ctrl Z to undo your last action. Right? You see that? I am undoing all my actions and I reverted back to the original place. But the idea is all I have to do is click on the layer that you wanted and press delete the trash can, or you simply hover here. There's also a trash icon here at the top. All right. Now, if you're working with a large design with many layers, deleting unnecessary ones can help reduce the overall file size. This can make your project load more faster, perform better, especially for working with a complex design or video project. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.